this is what I normally do. So I just make sure that the flush box is there, and then I just cut it till I find the edge. Hello there. Welcome. I got these grills made up for the walls. Now originally I wanted to have the grills in the ceiling, but because it's a diaphragm ceiling, and then between the lights, speakers, smoke alarms and everything else that's going on in the ceiling, it was going to be quite difficult to get the placement looking good. So had these made up. So just looking at them now, yeah, so that'll go on the wall like that, or like that. Not sure how I can make that work. Should be right, something like that. So that will protrude. Yeah, the jib will go up to there, I believe. Oh no, sorry, no, that will be behind the jib, and then that will slot into it. So I'm going to get this set up now, tape those to that, mount these at the same height on both sides, and she's going to be beautiful. Just going to see how this is going to look first. Okay, she's going to be a little bit tricky. I'm going to have to do it from the other side, get it pushed in, and then I can tape it off. So that's what I'll do. Hello there. Okay, so it came with a grill there, which up where I was trying to put it certainly wasn't going to work. So I've cut that out, sealed that up with some sealant, fire sealant / acoustic. Yeah, so this fire cork sealant, and then I've used the biscuit that I've cut out. I'll put it here. I'll seal this up, probably both sides. Try and keep it as clean as possible, and that should hopefully solve that problem. I may end up getting some duct tape and putting it on there as well, but I'll see how the sealant sort of works. I'll do the inside first. Yeah. I'm definitely not trying to make it look pretty, I'm just trying to make it kind of smooth, I guess, and make it so it's sealed as much as possible. Any air gaps. That'll work. Reseal this edge. This adjustable hole saw is awesome. Got it from Piranha Tools. Beautiful. So what I'm doing here is marking the trusses on the floor. So the truss locations I mark on the floor, and then I'll mark either side of them, and then I can take a photograph of that, and I've got reference point, relatively square line, and I can reuse this to measure out anything in the ceiling later, and then I'll just measure where they are run this way, and I'll have I can just draw a grid of what's where, and hopefully that will make life easier later if I need to do anything. The main reason for this is if I ever have to drill any holes, I don't want to be drilling through my trusses. But I don't mind if I have to drill out a little bit of a batten.
Come in the middle and hold. We need young excitement in the way.
So now the jibbing is done, what I'm going to do is demonstrate on this hole here sort of what I do for the flush boxes. In this one it doesn't really matter because it's going to be behind the kitchen, but this is what I normally do. So I just make sure that the flush box is there, and then I just cut it till I find the edge. Same again, do that. So there's that. So basically just trim out the perimeter of it by following the inside. That. And I'll do the same over here. Cool. So now we have that. What I do with my knife, I just trim it up again like this, and then in here, just for the screw, which pretty much just scallop out where the plate screws will go. And then job done. So I'll do this throughout the whole house, and then once that's done, yeah, I'll have a bit of a tidy up and go from there.
Oh, holy shit.
Huh?
What's different?
What's that? Oh, fine. That's right.
Lead can move. So the first joints are go 1.70 m.